This is a 2012 Ford Fusion. It has a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a security system, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, privacy glass, and cruise control. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Seekins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1625 Seekins Ford Drive in Fairbanks.